How to earn money online by making viral shorts and reels? That question is being asked by millions of people in 2026 because short-form video has become one of the fastest, lowest barrier ways to turn creativity into actual income. Sometimes within weeks or months if you understand the current algorithms and monetization paths. Whether you're a teenager with a smartphone, a college student looking for side cash, or anyone wanting passive-ish online earnings, vertical videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Snapchat Spotlight, and even Facebook Reels are paying creators more reliably than ever before. The beauty of this format is that you don't need expensive cameras, lighting kits, editing computers, or years of experience. A recent iPhone or Android phone from the last 3 to 4 years is more than enough. Free editing apps handle 90% of what you need. You can film in your bedroom, kitchen, car, park, or school hallway. The entry cost is basically zero beyond the data plan you already have. And the upside? Viral Shorts have launched full-time creators, brand deals, merch lines, and six-figure incomes starting from accounts with 0 followers. Let's break down exactly how to earn money online by making viral shorts and reels in 2026, step by step, from zero to monetized. First, understand the platforms and their current payout systems because choosing the right one makes a huge difference. YouTube Shorts is still one of the strongest long-term plays. In 2026, the Shorts Fund has evolved into the full YouTube Partner Program for Shorts creators. To qualify, you need either 1,000 subscribers plus 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days, or the traditional 1,000 subs plus 4,000 watch hours on long form. Once in, you earn from Shorts ads, super thanks, super chats on live streams, channel memberships, and YouTube shopping affiliate commissions. Many creators report $0.01 to $0.07 per 1,000 views on Shorts, but high engagement niches can hit $0.10 to $0.20 RPM. The real money comes when Shorts funnel viewers to longer videos or your own products. TikTok remains the king of virality speed. The Creator Rewards Program pays for views once you hit 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Payouts are roughly 2 cents to 4 cents per 1,000 qualified views, but the real earnings come from live gifts, brand partnerships, TikTok shop commissions, and affiliate links. TikTok virality is still unmatched. Videos can go from 0 to 10 million views in 48 hours if they hit the For You page algorithm. Instagram Reels has become a serious earner in 2026. Reels Play bonus invites are sent to creators who consistently post high-performing reels. Bonuses can range from $100 to $35,000 depending on views and region. Beyond bonuses, Instagram pays through brand collabs, affiliate links in bio/stories, and Instagram shopping. The algorithm favors Reels over feed posts, so consistent Reels posting boosts your entire account. Snapchat Spotlight pays lump sums for viral submissions. Top videos can earn $1,000 to $50,000, plus depending on views and engagement. Facebook Reels pays bonuses similar to Instagram and has a built-in older audience for certain niches. The smartest strategy in 2026 is to create one video and post it natively on all platforms using tools like CapCut's export or manual uploads. This maximizes reach without extra work. Now, content that actually goes viral in 2026. Forget generic day in my life, unless it's extremely relatable or cinematic. The algorithm rewards high watch time percentage, rewatches, shares, saves, and comments in the first 1 to 3 hours. Winning formats right now. Problem to solution hooks. Broken college. Do this to make $200 this week? Before/after transformations. I tried X for 30 Days series, niche-specific hacks, storytelling with twists, duets, stitches, reactions to trending sounds, relatable humor, hook in 0 to 3 seconds is non-negotiable. Use text overlay, zoom, sound effect, or question. Keep average watch time above 60 to 70% by delivering value fast and ending with a loop. Editing tips that boost virality. Fast cuts every 1 to 2 seconds. Text overlays on every scene. Trending audio plus your voiceover. Captions for silent viewers. End screens with follow for part 2 or CTA Use CapCut templates that are already algorithm tested. Posting strategy, 3 to 7 videos per week. Post at peak audience times. Analyze every video. Which hooks worked, retention graph drops, CTR on thumbnails. Double down on winners. Repurpose, turn one long video into 5 to 10 shorts. Growth hacks without ads. Cross-promote on Reddit. Collaborate, stitch/duet. Bigger creators, raid streams, co-create with similar-sized accounts. Engage aggressively. Reply to every comment in first 24 hours. Use trending sounds within 24 to 48 hours of release. Hashtag strategy, 3 to 5 niche plus 2 to 3 broad. Build a community, create Discord or group chat for fans. Monetization paths ranked by speed in 2026. Brand partnerships and sponsored content to rates, $50 to $500 per post at 10,000 followers. $1,000 to $10,000 at 100,000 plus affiliate marketing to Amazon LTK, Shopify affiliates, digital products. Link in bio/stories. Earn 5 to 30% commission. Platform direct pay. Live gifts and donations, digital products/merch fan support. Realistic timeline. Month 1 to 2, 0 to 5,000 followers, $0 to $100 from early affiliate or small bonuses. Month 3 to 6, 10,000 to 50,000 followers, $200 to $1,500 per month from partnerships plus platform pay. Month 6 to 12, 50,000 to 200,000 plus, $2,000 to $10,000 plus per month, diversified taxes and legal. Earnings over approximately $600 per year must be reported. Use parent-linked accounts if under 18. Set aside 25 to 30% for taxes. Keep records of payouts. Common pitfalls, inconsistent posting, copying trends without personality, buying followers/views, ignoring analytics, burning out from daily posting pressure, not diversifying platforms/income. How to earn money online by making viral shorts and reels requires treating it like a skill, not luck. Study viral videos daily, experiment relentlessly, engage like crazy and stay authentic. Pick one platform today, film your first short this week, post it, and commit to 30 videos before judging results. Track views, watch time, and comments every week. If this gave you the roadmap and motivation to start creating viral shorts and reels for income, follow my channel right now for weekly breakdowns, viral formula updates, editing tips, and real earnings case studies. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. What niche or first video idea are you going to try? I read and reply to as many as possible. Thanks for watching all the way. You're closer to monetizing than you think. Go film that first short today. See you in the next one. Keep creating.